Today on So Healthy Kid Can Cook It, we are going to continue on with the Harry Potter theme by making Butterbeer. Even better than Hogsmeade's. Let's whip up some magic. For this recipe, you will need 1 cup of heavy whipping cream, 2 tablespoons of salted butter, 2 tablespoons plus 1 tablespoon of pure maple syrup, half a teaspoon of fine salt, and 1 IBC cream soda per mug. Chill your mugs in the freezer while making the butterbeer. Melt 2 tablespoons of butter and maple syrup in a small saucepan over medium heat, stirring constantly until lightly bubbles.
Stirring constantly until it's lightly bubbling.
Remove it from heat and set it aside. We'll use it later. Add the cream, salt, tablespoon of maple syrup. The hand mixer is already plugged in, correct?
Yes.
To a medium bowl and beat with the hand mixer until a smooth cream forms. Slowly add the heated maple butter mixture to the cream while continuing to mix until fully combined. Get out. Okay.
So I'll tell you when to stop.
Okay, just tell me when to stop. Ready?
No,
go.
no, you're not
Are you
using
rolling?
this thing. Yes.
Okay.
Stop. Right. Then pour it up. I'll tell you when to stop. Stop. It's gonna be okay.
Enjoy your favorite Harry Potter. Oh wait, no, I don't say that. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more recipes. Oh my gosh! Oh, it got everywhere!
Cherish, you gotta do it until it is a smooth cream. Is it a smooth cream? Cherish, you think it's a smooth cream?
I don't know. Ask Cherish.
I think it's a smooth cream. Looks like a smooth cream.
Even better than Hogsmeade's.
Alright, it's perfect.
Just saying, you know.